What would you expect to find inside an 8,000 square foot mansion built more than a century ago? Grand rooms? A massive staircase? Maybe a ballroom? This house has all of them. But there's one detail about this property that makes it far more interesting than a typical historic mansion. Subscribe if you enjoy exploring remarkable properties and the stories behind them. Now, let's take a closer look. This is the P Mansion in Decatur, Illinois. A large circular driveway leads toward the mansion, framed by massive bone-white columns. Built in the 19th century, the home covers roughly 8,000 square feet and sits on about half an acre. Inside are 6 bedrooms, giving it the scale of a private estate. The entrance opens toward a dramatic, circular wooden staircase. Nearby, the main dining room features extensive woodwork and a rich, traditional atmosphere. Upstairs are 6 bedrooms, including a marble master suite. But one of the most remarkable spaces is the approximately 1,300 square foot ballroom. And this is where the story surrounding the mansion becomes much stranger. According to accounts connected to the property, unusual sounds have reportedly been heard inside, including faint, rhythmic noises resembling footsteps or dancing. Some stories suggest these sounds travel through the vintage elevator shaft. Another story involves one of the fireplaces. According to the listing account, it has reportedly produced an unusual green-colored flame when the house was completely empty. Whether these stories are local legends or something harder to explain, they have become part of the property's identity. Beyond the stories, the mansion remains an impressive historic property, with 6 bedrooms, a marble master suite, grand rooms, a 1,300 square foot ballroom, a 4-car garage, and a basement containing original machinery. It is being sold strictly as is, meaning the next owner is taking on a piece of history with a very unusual reputation. And that's what makes the P Mansion so fascinating. From the outside, it looks like an impressive 19th century estate. Inside, it becomes much harder to explain. Maybe the stories are simply legends that grew around an old mansion. Either way, the P Mansion is far more than another historic property. It is a remarkable piece of American history with a story that continues to make people wonder what really happens inside. The house is being sold as is, making its unusual history part of the purchase.
You